Hey there! Want to earn money online? If so, you might want to consider using YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform, and it's a great place to earn money from your content. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. The first step to earning money on YouTube is to create your own YouTube channel. Step 2. Create content. Once you've set up your YouTube channel, start creating content. Step 3. Build your audience. To start earning money on YouTube, you need to have an audience. Step 4. Join the YouTube Partner Program. To earn money from your YouTube channel, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you're eligible, apply to join the program and start earning money from your videos. Step 5. Monetize your videos. Once you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, you can monetize your videos in several ways. YouTube will place ads on your videos, and you'll earn a percentage of the revenue generated by those ads. Earning money on YouTube takes time and effort, but it can be a rewarding way to make money online. Start creating content today and see how much you can earn on YouTube.